What you want to talk about today is about the timing belt. What timing belt can cause in the car. What is timing belt on the car? Timing belt is about to if a timing belt cut, the car may stop because timing belt is like a timing. Look at a human being, you will think that timing belt is like memory. When you lost memory or you lost of appetite, you will take where you think the motor will not contact anymore because if the timing belt cut now the motor will actually off and you will not move again unless you put another timing belt. Timing belt, if you fire the timing, if the thing do not reach at the point of the timing, like timing, that main timing, the motor will not spin well. You will be seen as the plug is not good. You don't know that if you are firing the motor, you will not accelerate well. If you clamp the now, if you are firing the car, it will look like fuel pump is fair, but you don't know that timing belt is because that is what timing belt can cause.